I'm actually standing in front of the 100th parcel unit from Cleveron that's installed in the ICA store in Sweden. We worked together for the last 4 years and accomplished something amazing. We're super proud about it, but we couldn't have done it without all the ICA store owners in Sweden and the entire team at ICA.
We were very proud to share this milestone with ICA of being the 100th store with this solution from Cleveron. The robot has already handed out more than 500 parcels in less than 2 weeks.
The 100th milestone means a lot for the ICA family. It proves that our solution works. And I think we soon will celebrating number 200 because the interest keep growing.
Det är ju verkligen en resa in i framtiden när roboten åker in i maskinen, du kan titta genom glasrutan, lamporna tänds och den kommer tillbaka ut med brickan med just ditt paket som du har beställt.
I have worked with over 100 ICA stores and always admired the sense of community they have, and right now I feel like Cleveron is also part of that community.
Working with Cleveron, it's been a very smooth and fast process, I would say. We're working very structured and it's been simplified the whole process. It's a testament to that it's a technology that works very well, that is very well liked within the ICA system. I actually have my first parcel waiting for me in the locker, so I will collect it after working today.